Today we have the privilege of having the presence of Alton sir, who is MLA of Cape, and the constituency in which our university, Parul University, is also located. Today we have the first annual day of the university. As you all know, this is the first state private university of Government of Goa, approved by Government of Goa. We started in the year 2025 with first batch of students. We had 570 students. Out of that, nearly 530 students are from Goa. So it's a highly localized university. And today we are proud to host the first annual day of the university. I am also proud to tell all of you that first time in history of Goa, our university represented in Youth Festival of Government of India, which is called Association of Indian Universities Youth Festival. And in the regional competition, where 3 states participated, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa, our university, Parul University Goa, came second in all the competitions together, which includes dance, drama, music and literary events. So it's a proud moment not only for our university but also for Goa. And these students also represented our university in nationals and have won various competitions. Throughout our establishment as university and our functioning, Alton sir and all the people who are associated with local panchayat, they have extended great support for us in terms of coming up with the university, providing the necessary human manpower and all the support which is required for us to come up with the university. And in the coming years, we are going to gradually expand the university. Our intent is to have 8,000 students studying in this university and around 2,500 students studying on campus.
Chairman, President of Parul University, Dr. Goan, Deputy Sarpanch, Masu, Ex-Sarpanch and First Member, Victor, professors of the University of Departments, Panch Kishore, and press. In fact, I am honored to be here today as the guest for this cultural festival, first cultural festival of Parul University. And being in my constituency, in fact, it's an honor for us to have this university in Cape. Basically, when this thing came up, there was a perception in the minds of people what is going to come up here. And then, in fact, when I came to know it was a university, in fact, along with the panchayat members, we all stood by it because it was an education institute. And as I know, a lot of our Goan students used to go outside, out of Goa, and even out of India, for all these courses what the university have. Now, since it is here, I am glad to know that out of 570 students, almost 530 are Goans, only 40 are non-Goans. It's in fact a very good step that our Goans have enrolled themselves in this university, and we hope that this university will go along with good success, and our Goan students will take the utmost advantage of this university, do well, because we Goans are almost second third in the countries after Kerala. So I feel after this university comes up, the first private university which has come up in Cape, will be topping the country with having the highest literacy. And I wish Dr. Devanshu Patel and his entire team that they should give the best to our Goans, because need of the hour, because education is the key for success. And when education is, and we have that thing for education, priority for education, definitely our state, our country will grow. And when I was introduced to Dr. The first, that I put 2-3 points to him. First, I had told him that the local contracts, whatever work, jobs, everything has to be given to a Goan. Second thing, I had told him that our Goans, first and foremost, my constituency from Cape, maximum numbers have employment has to be given. And the third thing, what I had proposed is whatever courses they are having, our Cape people, our students, have to be given some discount and that whatever fees. So this was the 3 priorities what I had proposed. And today what I can say that there are almost more than 35 more odd people from my constituency working, might be in department as professors. You can take from the higher post, then clerical work, MTS, drivers, whatever other things. But from all the posts, from top to bottom, there are people who are working from my constituency, as well as other goals. So I am happy with whatever jobs they have provided. But see, when it comes to jobs, employment is a big issue in Goa. When it comes to jobs, as much of jobs, whatever he gives, Dr. gives, it is less because we have a lot of educated people in my constituency. I don't want to speak of the rest of Goa, but I'm talking particular to Cape constituency. We have almost very high, good literacy rate in Cape.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.